RAM, or random access memory, is a vital component of a computer system. It serves as temporary storage for data actively used by the computer's processor. One intriguing fact about RAM is its incredible speed. It can transfer data at astonishing rates, often measured in billions of bytes per second. To put it into perspective, high-end gaming computers can have RAM modules that deliver data transfer speeds exceeding 3,000 megabytes per second, allowing for lightning-fast data access and processing. Additionally, modern computers can have RAM capacities ranging from a few gigabytes to several terabytes, providing an enormous amount of temporary storage for seamless multitasking and resource-intensive applications.